Today I'm gonna show you that how you can go ahead and make your approvals on auto or manual in TranZact. So quickly, let's go to our settings module. Once we go to our setting module, on your right hand side in the very bottom you can see an option of advanced. Click on that. Going below you will get an option of default approval. I will click on this. Now once I click on this, these are the list of all the approvals, and very well I can make them manual and auto. So suppose the GRN QIR. So currently you wish to go ahead and make that. Once I create the GRN QIR document, inventory approval will happen automatically or I need to manually approve it. So very well you can go ahead and make the changes. You can very well go ahead and activate all as well. It's entirely up to you. Now you can turn off all approval for all the documents as well. So same changes you can make in each and every document. Please have a look. So this is how you can go ahead and make your approval manual or auto in TranZact. I hope it helped you out. Have a good day.